Miss Serena Menezes, the CMO of one of the top developers of the country, Oberoi. So, ma'am, the audience wants to know what is the reason of success of Oberoi.
I think India is now an aspirational country, which means that everybody is aspirational to work towards brands, to live in better homes, in better spaces, to work in better offices, and especially spaces which are designed well and homes which are designed well. And I think that is where Oberoi Realty fits in. We spend a lot of time designing homes, designing spaces. We know that people want larger homes. People want homes where they can come to peacefully, and that is the environment that we create in terms of beautiful landscape gardens, beautiful architecture, beautiful homes, and most of all, world-class amenities. And that's what we stand for.
Wow, that was an amazing answer. So I passed through Malad. I saw a 40-story building which was being constructed since last 10 years. And then I saw Oberoi Sky City. You constructed more than 50 floors, and in just a quick time span. Every time when I go, the construction is like so high, and now that it's completed. So how do you construct so fast?
So, Sky City is one of our beautiful projects in Borivali. It's
Yeah.
spread over 25 acres. It's an integrated lifestyle development, which means we have a mall called the Sky City Mall, which we just launched early this year, which is spread over 1 million square feet. We also have the Marriott Hotel coming up next door. Will have about 250 rooms. And then we have the 8 towers, which are the residential towers. So it's not about developing quickly, but it is about developing carefully, beautifully, designing it well, and then executing the whole design and architectural concept. So there are over 1,500 families living there now. They are very happy because you can literally walk into the metro, walk into the hotel, walk into the mall from your residence. You don't even have to step onto the main road, onto the roads in order to access all the facilities within this development.
That's fantastic. So, ma'am, I think more than 10,000 developers are watching this video, and they take Oberoi as a role model. So, what a piece of advice you would like to give them if they want to become successful like Oberoi?
I think we're very honored if that is how people feel about us. I think you have to be patient when the design and the product development is in the hand of the craftsman. You have to be very patient, very prudent. You have to understand that this is the biggest check your client will ever write in his life when he buys a home. And we have to be very careful about how we use that money and make sure that we deliver the promise that we have made to him. Most people deliver dreams and give you reality, but I think we need to make sure that whatever we have promised, we deliver it on time.
Wow. Fulfill your promises, and what you have committed, deliver that. And that's the mantra of success. Thank you so much, Miss Serena. It was wonderful talking with you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Pleasure.